Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some nice and fluffy peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. You'll need 230 grams of unsalted butter cut into tubes. That's the cat in the background. He only watched me for like 10 seconds. You'll need 1.5 cups of sugar. So we're using white sugar and adding golden syrup later to give the cookies a nice brown color, and you can kind of choose how dark you want them to be with how much golden syrup you add. 3 cups of plain flour. And you'll need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Alright, so to start off, you should beat the butter and sugar together. You want to beat it until it's light and fluffy, so the butter looks like it's almost turned white. This can take some time, so I like to just set it and forget it. I have my wonderful assistant Callum here chopping up a block of dark chocolate for the chocolate chips. It's generally cheaper to just chop up some chocolate than buy the chips. Here's Callum being caught eating the chocolate. So this is the creamed butter and sugar. It's light in color and pretty tasty at this point. The next step is to add all of the wet ingredients. So that's the 2 eggs, 3 spoons of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup, but you can also use molasses or treacle. Callum likes to have clean fingers.
It tastes like golden syrup, this golden syrup.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Okay, Kalim.
What about chocolates? Can you alright?
Chuck this in a sec.
Okay, the professional. Professional put this in. Or would you angry if I do it my way?
That's how very special assistant Callum puts the flour in the bowl. So as I was mixing this, it wasn't coming together as fast as normal, and that's because it was too dry, but I couldn't be bothered to do anything about it. So you should normally add an egg if it's too dry. In goes the chocolate chips, even though he ate some.
Did you add vanilla?
Yep. What? It's the shower.
It's the shower in the background.
I think it's ready to roll. And find the baking sheet.
This is assistant Callum being upgraded to cameraman Callum.
Baking sheets for the chocolate.
When you roll the cookies, you want them all to be the same size so they'll bake at the same rate. You put the baking tray on top of the cookies.
Really push it head now.
More like really loving head now.
We then put all of the cookies in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I forgot to film any of it in the oven, but we do have these 2 nice photos I've edited to look like videos. So at this point I only took one tray out of the oven and rotated the rest and left them in to brown up a bit more. Alright, and here are the finished cookies. They're actually a birthday present for my sister-in-law, and everyone who tried them really enjoyed them. Me and Callum thought they were just that little bit too dry and could have done with an extra egg, but otherwise they were pretty good. So thank you for watching my video. Please tell me in the comments down below what kind of cookie do you like. Do you like them chewy or crunchy or nice and soft? Yeah, remember to leave a like and subscribe.